You came across this video because you're looking for the perfect concealer. Now before I start getting too technical into the variety of concealers that I believe is great for our skin, Asian skin in general, well, you need to know why some concealers aren't suitable for your skin. One of the major reasons would be the type of skin that you have, and mainly us Asians, we have problems that faces towards hyperpigmentation, dark circles, and even like sensitive skin. But no worries, I got you covered. The first concealer that I want to share with you guys is a known cult favorite. It's none other than the Maybelline Makeup Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This concealer delivers medium to full coverage to instantly erase fine lines and dark under eyes. This concealer can conceal like hard to reach areas like under the eyes thanks to its micro corrector sponge applicator. Most of the makeup tutorials I've ever watched has always said great things about this Maybelline concealer. Another great contender of our best concealer would be Kat Von D Beauty Lock-It Concealer Cream. With its rich and creamy formula, this long-lasting concealer conceals blemishes and corrects discoloration for a flawless complexion. What's more, it is packed with complexion brightening pigments and Hydra Boost Complex to give your skin instant radiance. The great thing about this product is the fact that it is crease-proof, long-lasting, and it lasts up to 24 hours. Next in this list that you can consider would be the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It is a known fact that most Asian skin tend to lose, moisture over time, so give your skin that much-needed hydration with NARS Radiant Cream Concealer. Infused in natural botanicals, this concealer replenishes the moisture in your skin for a smooth and supple appearance. On top of that, this concealer covers up all sorts of imperfections like blemishes, dark circles, brighten up lifeless skin. It has a luminous finish, medium to high coverage, and a lightweight texture. This next concealer is an interesting product if you ask me personally. The MAC Studio Conceal and Correct palette offers 2 color correcting pigments to neutralize any visible veins to camouflage heavy, dark eye circles. It comes with 4 different shades of concealer, which allows you to mix and match and mix the colors according to your skin tone. So basically think of this like a DIY based on the undertone of your skin. Having dark circles is so tedious, I know, I totally get you. And to have this innovative product where you can, DIY your consistency, the colors, based on how your skin appears is really, really mind-blowing in my opinion. Number 5 in our list for best concealers for Asian skin would be, I definitely have to give it to Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-Hour Concealer. Combat your oily skin with Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-Hour Concealer. With clay as its key ingredient, this concealer absorbs excess sebum and dries down matte on the skin. What's more, it is formulated with vitamin A to retain moisture and protect the skin from free radicals that can cause damage to the skin. The reason why I'm so obsessed with this concealer is the fact that, it is waterproof and it's long-lasting and it has this velvety matte finish which is so gorgeous on the skin. Moving on to the next concealer, I highly recommend the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. As the name suggests, the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer delivers super high coverage and blends seamlessly into the skin for that all-natural look. And it's amazing for performative makeup as well. It also comes with a diamond-shaped applicator that allows you to apply the product seamlessly. Other than that, you can try using the Medicube Red Concealer. This non-comedogenic concealer offers that long-lasting high coverage without causing any irritation. It also soothes redness and heals blemishes thanks to its Centella Asiatica extract. One of the reasons why the Medicube Red Concealer is considered one of the most hydrating concealers out there is because there's an inclusion of squalene in its ingredients. Not only that, it has high coverage and it has 30 PA++ of SPF. Another great product that you need to look out for would be the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer. This concealer is your solution in brightening up like your dark circles or to cover up any imperfections that you are not really happy with on your skin. With this easy buildability and high coverage, it allows you to be more creative. The texture that this concealer leaves, it has this soft matte look that will definitely leave your face looking very, picture ready. So Fenty products are famously known to have a range of shades that you can choose from, and here we have 50 for these concealers. So you'll definitely find a shade that's perfect for your skin tone. This next concealer is no stranger to the beauty industry, and I'm pretty sure a lot of beauty gurus would vouch for this as well, and it is none other than the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage. Why not amp up your youthful looking appearance a little bit more by adding an anti-aging concealer? Aside from concealing imperfections, this creamy concealer helped to reduce fine lines thanks to its Japanese green tea extract. Last but not least, the list would not be complete if I had not included Huda Beauty into the mix. The Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer is packed with skincare benefits to keep your skin looking flawless from inside and out. Perfect for tired eyes, this concealer is infused with green tea and Jericho rose extract to soothe and moisturize the delicate eye area. Plus, it promotes cellular regeneration for smoother skin. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos would you like me to make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you get to shop and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!